कौन है वो चुड़ैल और कब से चल रहा है ये सब?
अरे बेबी
Turn that bloody music off!
Who are these people, Rishi?
सबको लेके जाइए ना.
Well, to be or not to be is not the question. The question is, where the hell is the wine?
Hi.
Away from the mic, newbie.
Yeah, thanks. Hi guys, I'm Rishi. आज श्वेता की तबीयत ठीक नहीं है, so वो आज नहीं आ पाएगी. So I'm standing in for her today. After all, how difficult can it be to make people laugh? Okay, so it's clearly not that easy either. Okay, seriously guys, मैं stand up comic तो हूँ नहीं, मैं advertising का बंदा हूँ. So I understand what funny is, but being funny, that's a whole different ball game altogether. कुछ jokes लिख के लाया था, सोचा था. But clearly you guys are not in the mood, so yeah. I guess I'll just tell you how I got here, and then you can boo me all you want. I'll be taking cue from my wife. After all, that's what she does. She tells you about her life, so I'll tell you how I got here. Deal? Is that fine?
Yep.
I hope there won't.
All right.
Okay. So since I've taken this up as a challenge, please be easy on me.
Yep. Last bit.
Okay, thank you, madam. तो कुछ दिन पहले मेरी एनिवर्सरी थी. मैंने श्वेता के लिए एक सरप्राइज पार्टी प्लान की. Where we kind of cozied up. मैं समा बांधे जा रहा था. And things were steaming up between us.
It is the married woman diary. See the sadi par complicated diary. It is the married woman diary.
Baby, ये वाइन खराब है क्या? See, I can't feel anything.
Okay, baby, आराम से बैठो. You'll flip.
Yeah.
अरे
I'm fine. You are the best thing that has ever happened to me. Like, ever.
Okay, thank
You're
you.
the most darling husband ever.
I think it's time to get you to bed now.
No! You think मैं मजाक कर रही हूँ? I am not. And just to prove it to you, Mr. Chaube, you and I are gonna have a baby right now.
Okay, baby, आज आराम करो. Listen, we'll talk about this tomorrow. Easy.
You think I'm drunk?
No.
Well, I've got news for you, darling. You and I. You and I are gonna make sweet, sweet love right now.
Okay, क्या कर रही हो यार? Baby, please, come now. Let's.
Sorry.
It's okay, baby.
I
Come, let's.
killed Andesh. I'm sorry, baby.
It's okay.
आग लगा दो सारे condoms को. Flush कर दो मेरे सारे pills को. You come here. Let's make that baby come.
Baby, what are you doing?
What am I doing?
अच्छा, okay. Listen. One more.
क्या?
Just give me one sec. Okay, listen.
What? You wanna?
No.
I wanna?
Yeah.
What's the
Listen.
problem?
Listen. I don't want.
You don't wanna? I wanna. Man up, pretty boy. I want triplets. 1, 2, and 3. And you're coming with me. You're coming with me. Let's go.
भाई साहब, मेरी तो पूरी सिट्टी पिट्टी गुल हो गई थी. मैंने श्वेता को जिंदगी में कभी ऐसे नहीं देखा था. मतलब मैं सोच भी नहीं सकता था कि मेरी बीवी के अंदर एक ऐसा वैशी दरिंदा होगा यार. अरे हंसने की बात नहीं भाई साहब, आपको हंसी आ रही है? दुनिया भर में बात हो रही है विमेन एम्पावरमेंट की. कभी सोचा है व्हाट अबाउट अस मेन? दिन भर पत्थर तोड़ने के बाद we come back home to these sexually wound up time bombs who want triplets. It was a bizarre mix of Kama Sutra and Exorcist. निकल जा!
Mine, baby.
चुड़ैल जी जाइए ना. I command you, निकल जा. हर पति ये जानता है. I'm sure you guys will agree with me that there is nothing worse than a drunk wife. Boss, मेरी तो पूरी फट ली थी. But standing behind that door in that bathroom, locked inside, कुछ अजीब हो गया.
ऋषि! मार्को, जल्दी जल्दी बोलो, बोलो, and then I will find you, and then we'll do the dirty. क्या ऋषि? Why are you being so difficult? यार, यही तो तुम चाहते थे. Now I'm finally on board, so क्या करो ऋषि? Just छुपना बंद करो and come and knock me up, ऋषि. अपनी जिंदगी, अपने करियर को अलविदा कहने के लिए तैयार हूं मैं. जिंदगी भर डायपर बदलूंगी. I promise. The glory of childbirth, the pain, the blood, the sleepless nights. I'll go through it all, Rishi. I'll go through it all. I love you. I love you, Rishi. And I'm sorry. मैंने तुमसे झूठ बोला. I told you कि तुम तैयार नहीं हो, लेकिन सच तो ये है that I'm not ready. I'm scared, Rishi. But I love you. I'll do it all for you, Rishi. I love you. I love you more than anything.
And that was the exact spot where I realized कि मैं कितना बड़ा बीवी है यार वो मेरी. The woman I love the most in this world. और वो इस कदर घबरा गई है, इस कदर डर गई है of losing her life as she knows it. I mean, this was no time to demand anything of her. मेरी जगह कोई भी और होता तो वो उसके साथ खड़ा होकर उसके हर फैसले में उसका साथ देता. And here I was. So at that moment I told myself that I'll be that man who would stand by her at all times. That I'll be the husband that she can be proud of. और आज यहाँ शायद वही करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ मैं. आज वो घर में बीमार है और इस तरह से उसका थोड़ा सा बोझ बांटने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ मैं. I guess that's how marriages work. Honey, क्या तुम वाकई में ये फील करती हो? Okay, listen, we won't have that child until you are ready. Okay, we won't.
Please don't leave me. Please.
ऐसी बेवड़ी और कहाँ से लाऊंगा? You silly girl, I'll never leave you. Okay. So humor was the promise, not the mush. I'm sorry about that, guys. But then this part of the program was brought to you by Happy Tissue. I'm kidding. So we'll stay with the story. So what happened that night? What happened? That night, ladies and gents, I nearly got raped. And it's a pity that she was too drunk to finish the job. No, but seriously though, मुझे ऐसा लगता है उस रात के बाद हम दोनों एक दूसरे के और करीब आ गए हैं. And although I hate those sappy chick flicks, man, but I've realized my life has become just that. भगवान करे आप सबको मुझ जितनी खुशी मिले. I hope all of you find somebody who loves you as much as Shweta loves me and as much as I love her. Good night. कौन है यार?
Surprise! Surprised!
Every time this time.
I love cats.
You love cats?
I command the in the name of Vatsayan, like our show, comment on it and share it with your friends.
Your subscription is mine.
Kamar, download the Sony Live app today.